Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the S9 mini smartwatch, and on this video we are going to pair it with its support app. Previous video, we do have a demo for pairing it with the Android smartphone. On this video, we are going to pair it with the iOS platform, particularly the iPhone. So let's see if it works with our iPhone. Again, this is the S9 mini smartwatch. So if you are interested to see if it works with the support app, particularly the iPhone or the iOS platform, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Alright, so let's start and have a demo of the pairing of S9 mini to our iPhone. So we have the QR code on the user manual, and it's also available here on the support app. Usually it's in the settings or the about section. So let's see. So we have here the general. Okay, as you can see, we do have the QR code for the support app. So it is using the M2 Wear. So we'll not scan this anymore. Let's just go directly to the App Store. So let's search M2 Wear. So M2 Wear. Okay, so this is the support app for the smartwatch. Okay. So we have at least two here. I guess it is using this one. Okay, M2 Wear Sports. So let's try this one and pair it with our smartwatch. So let's tap on Get. Install the app and let's wait for it to finish installation. Okay, so it is finished downloading and it's already installed in our smartphone. So let's open the app. As you can see here, it is asking for our location. So allow once. Then M2 Wear would like to send you notifications. We'll allow it. And as you can see here, you have an option to log in using your Apple ID or email, as well as the Google account. In our case, so this is just a demo, so we will log in directly. Tap on direct login, and as you can see here, we have an account and a password. Just remember this. Then after that, confirm and okay. So add, please enter nickname. So we'll have our fictitious name here, John. Okay. Next. Mail. Next. Next. And that's it. So we have at least 5 menus here. So this one is for sports. This is the home menu. So this one for the watch faces, and this one for your device. So let's add our S9 mini to the support app. Tap on the plus sign, and as you can see here, the S9 mini appeared on the dashboard or on the search results. So tap on the S9 mini and let's wait for the connectivity. So device connected. Are we connected? Yes, as you can see here. So very easy. Okay. Very smooth connection. Let's check. And we are officially connected. So let's have a review of our permissions and other options here. So synchronize time set successfully. Raise to wake. Let's activate it. Then We have a phone book, push weather, language watch, hour system, 12-hour format time, yes. Notifications and reminder, everything is activated here. As you can see, there's a lot of support for the application from WhatsApp, Instagram, Viber, Messenger. Very good so far. Then again, we did not confirm our other options. Confirm just to make sure. Set successfully. Go back. Health settings. So sedentary switch, will activate it. Will not activate the automatic heart rate measurement. Okay, so it will consume a lot of battery. Okay, as you can see, everything is okay here. Let's go to the watch face section and check out the available watch faces for the smartwatch. We'll not download any watch face as we have done it already with our Android smartphone. We'll just explore the list of watch faces. So let's check here. Is it the same with our Android? We have at least 6 here. Motion, only 1. That's disappointing. Fashion, we have only 2 here. How about simple? We have at least 7. So very limited watch face so far for our M2 Wear support app, particularly for the S9 mini. But so far, as you can see here, our connection with the support app is stable and we are still connected. Okay, that's very good so far for our smartwatch. Again, the installation, the setup process for the M2 Wear with the S9 mini is very easy. Okay, all you have to do is just activate all the permissions at the beginning of the opening or installation of the app before you pair your smartwatch. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the pairing, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.